Introduce shoe marking machine for footwear industry. In footwear manufacturing, line drawing is a critical step. How can you improve efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure precision? The IBON shoe upper line drawing machine offers the perfect solution. The IBON shoe upper line drawing machine incorporates advanced CNC technology, combining high precision and speed. Whether it's complex patterns or simple lines, it handles everything with ease. Watch. The IBON machine performs flawlessly on a variety of materials, whether leather, synthetic fabrics, or textiles. With clear, smooth lines and an error margin of less than 0.1 m. It significantly boosts production efficiency. Over 500 shoe factories worldwide have chosen IBON machines to enhance their production efficiency. Hear what they have to say? The IBON machine has increased our production efficiency by 30% with impeccable line drawing precision. Choosing the IBON shoe upper line drawing machine means choosing efficiency, precision, and reliability. Contact us today to start your journey towards smart manufacturing. Visit IBONcutting.com.